Good day everybody, how y'all doing? Upcoming video that I'm going to show you here now is a video from, I think it's 2011. Myself and my good buddy Larry Smith, we're over on the west coast of Newfoundland. In the video you'll see Larry's dad, Mr. Claude Smith, I'll never get the pronunciation right. Anyway, he was a civilian firefighter, originally from Gooseberry Cove in Trinity Bay, and he moved to Stephenville in the Second World War. He worked as a civilian firefighter, and he spent a lot of time working with the Americans. He was a part-time guide, a moose hunting guide, a fishing guide at salmon as well, with the Americans in the 40s and the 50s. You will see Mr. Smith with myself and Larry's brother-in-law. It's a license that I filled. It was a 12-point bull. I'll never forget it. And this video that I'm gonna show you here that's coming up very shortly is a tribute and in remembrance of Mr. Smith. He's been passed away a good few years now. And rest in peace, Mr. Smith, as well as Mrs. Smith, Larry's mom and dad. Beautiful people, and they're sure missed. So anyway, please enjoy this video. Again, it's a Two Loons production. It's a good few years ago. Myself and Larry, we've been great friends for a long time. So again, please enjoy this video. This awesome moose hunt from the west coast and Stephenville Crossing area.
Hi folks, I'm Jerry from Majestic, and I've written this song about a gentleman and good friend. Most of you think a lot of Mosey, as I do. This song is not to poke fun at the old gentleman, but to pay a little tribute to a man whose name will stay with us for many, many years to come. I call him the well-known stranger. All you folks and listen to a story I will tell about a man who walks the streets of Stephenville. He wears 3 shirts, 2 overcoats, his beard is mighty long. It's Mosey Burns I'm speaking of, a legend of our town. Moose hunting in Newfoundland. That's where we're headed, up along that ridge. Not yet.
"12-point bull."
Put it alongside the knife, man. Let me see. Just you get a bit double this way. Okay? Yeah. Take that between there. Put the stuff in there between the knife. What's your finger down on the bottom? That one? Yep. Put it there, put the knife in. No? No. Through there.
Hey, up through that way, okay.
Up through there. Just up.
There you go.
Now try it.
Alright.
Just up.
That's done. Now I'll get the other one.
I'm sticking the other one in the rear. Good thing sticking on there anyway.
Yeah, that'll be all right there, sir.
I got that warm inside these here now. Woohoo. There you go.
Locked?
Locked it is, sir.
And moving right along. Let's chop that one off now.
Yeah, that's 2 locked. Alright, stand back. Knife. And that one.
Flies are getting out, getting warm here, boys. Geez, I never took many, buddy.
Strong, see?
Strong. Number 3. Number 4. Two hours? We've been at that.
Close on it.
Gives a few steaks, but.
You get out of there.
Yeah, that's poor sign. Caught up on a stump, was it?
Yeah, you get on.
Honda, Foreman.
It's the fruit boy.
She brought out that friggin' weight. Hi guys, how you doing? Not bad for a day in July. Could have had to promote something, no?
Actually, it's warmer in July.
Frig, but
Sure it is, yeah. Last week, it was snow.
there's me moose.
Last week was
What in the name of God am I going to do with all that moose? I think what we're going to do is we're going to bring it to the butcher. It's going to be too warm, no? Fucking flies, boys. Flies getting on that there again now, look.
What?
Flies hopping all over it. Carry on, he'll do it.
I guess he did.
Yeah. Oh, he did, boy. Yeah. Nice and prime. Huh? Another 4 or 5 years before he gets another one.
Every second year.
I got my license there in the truck too if you want to look at it.
All right, monster.
What at? 117 pounds.
This is the skin
Yeah,
and everything off it.
quarters. He wants to hang them for 2 or 3 days. I said, well, I said, you don't need to hang. Yeah, I said, it's only a little tiny tender as can be. Yeah.
You're
117 pounds. Now, with all that on that yesterday, that must have been 150 pounds. No wonder we couldn't lift it.
about 40 pounds of height, 30, 40 pounds of height.
So that was 150?
That's what Brian was saying there. He said he got no trouble picking up a 100-pound water. And he couldn't do it very well.
Go on in for a walk.
This way?
He wants to see moose coming out over here.
Lots of moose in here.
I'm for sure door, you cannot get locked in.
This way. That reminds me of a story. Funny done the work. Watch out, puppies.
What phone number can I call?
646
Yeah.
Get the door there, buddy.
2503.
Can you get the ground? See, I
Hey,
put it in for 28 pounds, cost you around $43.
not bad. Not bad at all.
Let's go over it, I guess. I don't know what down the card, but let's see what we see.
He took a bad smack, broke the leg. What'd you say that quarter was? 117.
117.
This one's 112. With the leg off easy. Ribs. I'll just hang them upside down.
Oh, nice size moose.
You damn right it was.
Well, that's nice animals. Anything over 100 pound quarter on a cow or a bull is still nice animal.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's like salt.
Good 12 points.
Keep them upside down. 12 point.
Yeah, that's my first moose. That's why I got the video camera out.
All that.
Yeah, I got a nice trophy to bring back if I can get it. That's a good job from her.
Tell you what, just put them on, I'm trying to roll.
It'll be the first meal of our boy.
Turn them over?
Yeah, I just turned them over, yeah. Here's the first meal of our moose, boy.
Not bad for the first one, I suppose. Lovely.
Five little ice cubes.
What's left over from last night?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not bad enough. Drank all my rum last night.
Well, someone had to do it.
Not all of it.
You didn't want it to spoil. You didn't want it to spoil.
Once the air gets at it.
Let's see how much we got left in here now. Not much in here now. One more set of rack, set of ribs. Freaking flies getting out of it. Jesus. It won't be there long enough now. That'll be all done very soon. We got the two hindquarters brought over. I'm getting sausages made. We got those roasts there too. Getting sausages made and steaks.
I'll get most of the meat off. Let's go with it.
Some meat there, lot I'm using for.
The knuckles like that.
I'm going to use for stewing meat or battling. Well, nice big, almost like a roast.
Let me get a hold of this side.
That's the other side, the ribs.
Move over now so you got rope. Close to me if you want. If it's any easier, you got to stretch it to hold it. There.
We've been busy
Huh?
That's it.
Bags of skin alone, they must have been 30 pounds each,
More than that.
When I threw them out to the dock there a little while ago.
They were more than that.
It's done. Do a little bit of clean up, put it in the freezer, and that's it. Till next year.
And here's the second meal.
He's looking for ways to cook.
Second meal of our moose.
Danny and Arnold.
You're definitely
The twins.
Danny and Arnold.
One day I had a talk with Mose. He told me of his life. About folks he knew from Harmonfield, the captain and his wife. Mose said the captain said to him, "Where are all the Indians at?" And Mose replied with a laughing grin, "They're not all left Harmon yet." He said to me, "Have you ever heard about the Stephenville Crossing train?" I said, "My son, I've heard that one, but tell it to me again." He said, "Just give me a little coin so I can buy some tea." And then he told me jokes I've never heard and kept me company. The train, she left old Port of Bass with 50 girls on board. She crossed the rugged Codrive Flats along our old seaboard. The bullet traveled so darn fast, the girls got a hell of a scare. And by the time they got to the crossing, boys, they lost their underwear. He said the police asked me one time when there was a moonshine ring, "You tell us, Mose, who makes the stuff and we'll give you everything." Mose said, "But first you give me cash and then I'll tell you right." And when they did, Mose said to them, "God makes the moonshine bright." A boat come into Harmon Port and Mose was standing by. The captain, he came out on deck and Mose said, "Hi, me bye." The captain said in angry tone, "Where are all the savages at?" And Mose replied in a laughing voice, "They're not all off your boats yet." God bless this man and keep him safe as he walks along our streets. Oh, when he knocks upon your door sometimes, just give him a bite to eat. Ask him to tell a joke or two, I'm sure he'll make you laugh. And when he leaves, just wish him well, please do on my behalf. Yes, when he leaves, just wish him well, please do on my behalf.